Question 17. It's 3 marks. It's asking to find some value of Q. Alright, so let's look at this. Q is directly proportional to the square root, this is important, of D. Q is this, D is that. Find the formula for Q in terms of D. This is even better. Now let's first set the proportion. So Q is proportional to the square root of D. That means Q is equal to K root D. Now let's substitute the values. Q is 4.5 is equal to K, which we don't know, root 324. That's good. Now let's just move it up. To find K, you will divide both sides by root 324. Why? To cancel this. To cancel it from this side. So now this is gone by. Now we'll get K equals 4.5 divided by root 324. That gives you 0.25. We got K. Now let's go back to read the question. Find the formula for Q in terms of D. Just plug the value of Q back here, and that's the value of K back here, and that's your answer. So let's put it back. So Q equals 0.25 root D, and that's your formula. That's your 3 marks. How was it? Was it easy? I think